Welcome to Tanta Innovative, your trusted partner in AI and machine learning solutions. At Tanta, we provide all-encompassing assistance across AI solution design, planning, development, and evolution. Our end-to-end AI consulting services cater to your unique business needs. We start with a thorough business analysis and create a tailored AI solution for you. Our expertise includes demand forecasting, predictive maintenance, customer service automation, financial risk assessment, and more. We use AI to optimize operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Partnering with Tanta means faster AI development and significant cost reduction. Our agile approach and outstanding tech skills ensure high productivity and efficiency. With over a decade of experience, Tanta is committed to driving innovation and enhancing patient care in the healthcare industry. Our tailored IT solutions meet the unique needs of the manufacturing industry. Ready to transform your business with AI? Contact us at +234 201 4536 000 or hello@tantainnovatives.com. Let's innovate together.